Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Hello Children. In this video, we will study the poem Jazz Poem 2, poet Carl Wendell Heinz Jr. Like the ancient mariner in Coleridge's poem, the old jazz musician feels he has a message for the people of the world. He is a pathetic figure, but at the same time, a commanding artist. He has the power in him to make people listen, a gift that not many possess. He is silent in speech but eloquent in music. There he stands, see, like a black ancient mariner, his wrinkled old face, so full of worries of living, is turned downward with closed eyes. His frayed collar, faded blue old shirt turns dark with sweat, and the old necktie, undone, drops loosely about the worn out jacket, just barely holding his sagging stomach in. Yeah, his run down shoes have paper in them. In these lines, the poet wants to say the man he is standing there is a jazz musician. Jazz is a type of African American music that originated in late 19th and early 20th century. He stands like a black ancient mariner. Samuel Coleridge's poem, The Rime of the Ancient Mariner, in which a seaman shoots an albatross, a bird of good omen, and suffers supernatural punishment. This jazz musician is standing like that mariner. Here, the figure of speech simile is used. His wrinkled old face shows the worries, difficulties he faced, which shows he has no longer interested in life. His face is turned down with closed eyes. Threads of the collar have come apart. Faded blue old shirt turned dark with sweat, and the old necktie is undone and drops loosely. About his worn or torn old jacket, his old jacket is barely holding his sagging or hanging stomach in, and he has put paper in his run down shoes to cover the holes. His rough, unshaven face shows pain in each wrinkle, but there he stands in self brought solitude, head still down, eyes still closed, ears perked and trained upon the base line, for across his chest lies an old alto saxophone supported from his neck by a wire coat hanger. Gently he lifts it now to parted lips, see, to tell all the world that he is a black man, that he was sent here to preach the black gospel of jazz. Now, preaching it with words of screaming notes and chords, he is no longer a man, not even a black man, but a bird, one that gathers his wings and flies high, high, higher, until he flies away, or come back to find himself a black man again. In these lines, the poet says the musician with his rough, unshaven face shows pain in each wrinkle, and he stands with the self brought solitude. He himself brought that loneliness. Head is still down, eyes are still closed, but his ears are bright and trained for bass line. An old alto saxophone hangs across his chest from his neck by a wire coat hanger. He gently lifts that to produce music. He feels that he has come to tell the world that he is a black man. He has sent to teach the black gospel of jazz. Black gospel is music that is written to express either personal or a communal belief regarding Christian life. The musician is a black man, so he thinks that he has a black gospel to share with the world through jazz music. When he starts music with screaming notes and chords, he remains no longer a man but a bird. He feels he gathers wings and fly higher. There is a transformation from black man to a bird soaring high in the sky. Or when he stops music, he comes back again to his original state, a black man again. The wings can be taken as a metaphor for imagination and creativity. The first 30 lines describe the old, worn out state of a jazz musician. The last 17 lines speak about his transformation from a pathetic figure to a powerful musician. Whatever his state or appearance may be, he can make people to listen to him with his eloquent music. The black jazz player wants to convey to the world through the music that God has sent him to this earth to teach the black gospel. The poet wants to convey to the world that every man, whether black or white, is a messenger of God. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.